All right, so this is the Equinox EV. It's going to start at $30,000, which is a very attractive price tag for not just an EV, but also an SUV.
Yeah, that's super competitive.
Well. Super competitive as well. This is the Blazer, not Trailblazer. I can't remember correctly. But love the interior on this one. This one's a little bit more expensive. Still not a bad price.
Oh, no.
I think the range is just under.
I mean, the average purchase price for a car today is like $38,000, something like that.
Of course, this all depends on if you can find the car at MSRP right now, right? That's the big challenge for it. But the design of the interior is really fantastic. It has the double screen layout thing, but it's well done here. But it also has a good balance of actual HVAC controls as well. So that's good to see. We'll pan around and kind of take a look at the specs on the Equinox here. Around $30,000. I don't know if GM still has tax credits. Andrew's an expert on the EV credits because it's very specific based on if it's used, if it's new, where the battery is made, where the final assembly is.
I'm not usually a big fan of Chevy design language, or GM in general, but this is actually pretty excellent. It's a really good balance of futuristic while still looking just modern.
All right, so taking a look at the Blazer, looks like up to 290 miles of range. It's pretty competitive.
Yeah.
3.8 seconds to 60, that's very competitive.
With wide open watts.
Yeah.
Is that what we're calling it? Is that what we're going with? Wide open watts?
I like that. It's better than full throttle.
True.
I like that.
You know what? Yeah.
I like it. Yeah, 290 range is not bad. We'll be curious to see what the different battery prices are for the different trim levels and stuff like that. The Equinox, about 300 miles of range up to, it says. What do you reckon, Steffan? How do you feel about it?
Honestly, and this is from somebody who hates General Motors, I'm actually really digging both of these. I think they look really good.
Just for the price, it's just incredible.
Yeah, you can't beat that. You cannot argue with that price point.
We'll be taking a look at the Ioniq in a little bit, but that's the thing that we've been seeing is that a lot of these electric cars that are good, they're getting really expensive. Like the EV6 just went up. How much was it, Andrew? $7,000. The EV6 went up in base price, right? For the $7,000. Like at that rate, like how is it going to be affordable for the general?
Because that was always the promise of this, was that EVs were supposed to trickle down and they'd be affordable, and instead they've been stuck at that $40,000, $50,000.
Did you notice that has slotted brake rotors?
Does it really?
Yes.
Yes, it does.